breath moves through all we are, through mountain deep and distant star, through river, sky, through heart and flame. Each breath returns from where it came. The wind that stirs the field of grain is the same wind that speaks my name. It moves through me, it moves through you. The breath that binds the old and new. No longer mine, no longer yours. The air dissolves, dividing doors. Each chest that lifts, each sigh that falls, is one great breathing through us all. The earth inhales, the heavens rest. The sea exhales through every chest. The pulse of life, the song unseen, connects all space where we have been. No thought remains of loss or birth, just rhythm moving through the earth. Each breath a wave, each wave a prayer. Each life the air that all hearts share. Now silence breathes, the stillness glows.